Hey YouTube, it's Queen Pam Elon QP here, and I just got my order from UmWow Studio, and what I ordered was the Bag of Bones kit, and I'm clearing away everything else as I'm in preparation. Later tonight, I'll be doing my faux Gatlinburg retreat class. So it came wrapped as you see it, which this is lovely. So I can use this pattern. Thank you. And I also signed up for the class. So yeah, this is the Bag of Bones kit. And it's in here. Thank you for the plastic. You never know if it was gonna rain and these lovelies get wet in the mail, but they didn't. So we have a bunch of tags in 3 sizes. I'm gonna leave them in there. So you've seen tags. This builds the book, and she gave you an extra spine in case you want to make yours fat, and I probably do. Let's zoom in. Yeah, book page in another language. Assignment of mortgage book. Oh, nice. This tissue, the Reading Company. I'm from Cincinnati. We say that as Reading because there's a street and it's Reading, not reading. So whenever I see it as Reading. Another piece in a different language. The pocket that she stitched for us out of, I believe this was piano paper. So, I would love to have, a roll of piano paper now. 'Cause how cool is that? You leave us up a tree when you don't pay your bill. Dealer in general merchandise. Music. East St. Louis. And I've actually been to East St. Louis. Very interesting. Every man his own ferry. Another. These are just interesting. Interesting. And I love the script on there. Look at that. Oh, Circuit Connections. Bell Telephone Company. And then tiny encyclopedia. Some cardstock that I believe Dee Dee designed. Because she went through what was in the kit on one of her Facebook lives. Bank. Let me check. And some more piano paper. So I'll put you in the middle so you can sort of flatten yourself. And then a bag of goodies. Oh, something tore. We actually, in her class, because I've watched the videos already, use this cute little bag as a page. Lovely wooden buttons. Very cute tiny envelope with some things to decorate. Some numbers. Another different size envelope. It's empty. Some muslin. Some more. I'm assuming it's muslin. More like watercolor weight paper. Yep, it's double-sided. Some more of that watercolor paper. Some ribbon and some sari silk. So I don't recall what I paid for this kit. The kit was $27. And for me, to learn how to make a junk journal, it was worth it to me because I don't have a clue. I see people talking about them all the time, and it just doesn't make sense to me. So that's why I took this class. I think I'm going to enjoy it. So as always, I leave you in the hands of the creator. Bye bye.